A good woman no coming from the Lord. They know they see her for market. A good woman is a blessing from above. Her type will not there for market. I tell you more, when you batra kolisa seva, you know more doziaku. When you batra kodoziaku mo, always loving everybody, no discrimination. What a dimma, no competition. Come and see the blessings of the Lord. A good woman no coming from the Lord. Chukwu is a blessing from above. Honeymoon, Akwanye chotra nesi wanye chotra no hiyoma. Akwanye chotra nesi wanye bianwe no gondo. He will find it a wife who will find it a good thing. So dear man, and obtain a favor from the Lord. Blessings of the Lord.
Time in Abia State and the August meeting, our inauguration and August meeting.
Ogbako abụghị ihe na-ezu ezo ma ọ bụ ihe nọ n'ala. Ọ na-akpọtụ na mba niile mana mba ofesi. And
that time we inaugurate Abia State chapter, and the August meeting of 2025 was hosted in Abia State. That
has kicked off. We are very happy. Widows are happy. The less privileged are happy. The disabled that are here today present, we are happy. Indeed, it's a very good start.